Clever Cassidy, and me and my dad are gonna cook smoked wings, and it might be fun to cook. So we patted the wings dry, and now we could season now.
Okay, now put them in there.
Clever Cassidy. Clever Cassidy. So we have brown sugar and the bourbon rubbed by baking powder to make them crispy.
So, we take our wing, you can do it. Take our wing and put it in the bag with the seasoning.
Okay, go!
Then hold on. Then zip it shut and shake.
Now the wings are seasoned, and we're gonna place them right here. Alright. So the wings are seasoned and it's ready to come into the smoke. Now the wings are going in the smoker, and they're gonna get cooked.
We'll check them in about an hour. Let's see how they're doing. Whoa, look at all that smoke. Coming along nicely.
Now my dad is gonna take out the wings out. Woo! A lot of smoke! Look at the wings, so cool. Look at the chicken. They look juicy. If you try them, like the video. And I'll tell you to like and subscribe and share and add a comment and hit the bell, okay? Bye.